How much do you weigh?
He's 7 pounds, 15 ounces.
Bigger than they thought it was going to be.
You don't look that big, honey. You do not look that big, boy. Alright.
Tell me which way to go here.
We're just going right here, right through there.
Another baby here. I didn't even see it yet.
Congratulations, Dad.
Thank you. Hey, bud. Hey. Hey, Wyatt. Hey, Wyatt. Hey. What you doing, bud? Hey.
Yeah, it's off.
Wyatt. What you doing, huh? Cold, aren't you? I bet.
Say, well, it is a little nippy in this big old world. 39. Does he have a name?
Wyatt.
Wyatt. I like that. I like that, Wyatt.
Wyatt Daniel Johnson.
Oh, I like that.
We'll see you all.
Thanks, honey.
Congratulations again.
Thank you. Hey, Wyatt.
Oh, you are just a handsome boy, Wyatt. You're the big old boy to be that early. Yes, you are. What was your big hurry? You didn't want to stay in there no longer? Was it getting too crowded or something? Yeah, calm down just a little bit. Alright, Wyatt is 21 inches, Dad.
21. Got a bit of hair in the back here.
I believe he does. Looks to me like he's got a little bit. Hey, big boy. Wyatt's got a 14-inch noggin. Well, hello, handsome boy. Want to open those eyes and look around? Just gonna open up those eyes and look around? Just gonna fuss at us. Okay? I know, I'm sorry. Oh, I said I was sorry. I said I was sorry. There's 10 and a quarter for his chin. Do you have family with you?
Yeah.
Do you?
I have 2 older kids out there. And
They can come around here and look in the window if you want them to. They won't be able to go back in the recovery room or anything, but they'll be able to see him through the window if they'd like.
Janet, can I help you?
If you want to take over, I will gladly let you have. This is Wyatt.
Wyatt.
And
Hello, Mr. Wyatt.
his mama was a previous C-section, and Wyatt thought today'd be a good day to show up.
This must be Dad.
yeah.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Here's Judy.
99 apple bars.